Today, we're checking out Samsung's latest budget-friendly champ in the Philippines, the Galaxy A07. Expect a smooth 90Hz display, long software support, 25 watts fast charging, and yes, that all important, MediaTek Helio G99 processor. For the display, it has 6.7-inch HD Plus PLS LCD with a 90Hz refresh rate, great for streaming or TikTok scrolling. For the processor, it has MediaTek Helio G99 processor paired with Mali G57 MCTU GPU, balancing efficiency and everyday performance. 4 gigs of RAM paired with either 64GB or 128GB storage, expandable up to 2TB via microSD. A respectable combo: 50MP rear plus 2MP macro and 8MP front shooter for your socials. 5000mAh battery with 25 watts USB-C fast charging hits 50% in just 30 minutes. Side-mounted fingerprint sensor, IP54 rated dust and splash resistance, ships with Android 15 and Samsung promises 6 years of OS and security updates. Now let's talk about its pricing. For the variant of 4GB of RAM and 64GB internal storage, it has a official SRP of 5,290 pesos. And for the variant of 4GB of RAM and 128GB internal storage, it has a official SRP of 5,990 pesos. Now, let's shine the spotlight on the real MVP, the Helio G99. Built on a 6nm process, it's power efficient coupled with the Mali G57 MC2 GPU. This phone handles daily tasks, light gaming, and multitasking with ease. It's not the latest flagship chipset, but it's very capable. Games like Mobile Legends run smoothly at medium settings. Even better, paired with Samsung's 6 years of software support, this cheap versus value combo just keeps getting stronger. So, should you get the Galaxy A07? Yes, because it has a large 90Hz screen, battery that lasts and charges fast, ample storage with expandability, long-term software support, trusted brand and service network in the Philippines. For the cons, HD Plus resolution might be underwhelming to some. Who should buy this? Students needing smooth scrolling and long battery life, first-time smartphone users who want reliable updates, anyone on a tight budget but not ready to compromise on modern features. All in, 5,000 to 6,000 gets you dependable, future-proof phone. Pretty compelling for a budget device. That's your full breakdown of the Galaxy A07 specs, pricing, and why the Helio G99 makes it punch above its weight. Don't forget to smash that like button, and if you found this useful, subscribe for more tech review. And comment below which would you pick, 64GB or 128GB. Until the next time, peace out!